In this video, I want to show you my dedicated media remover trommel. The machine is like my steel remover trommel, but with a few changes and less the steel removing conveyor. It has a 14-inch diameter trommel cage that is 4 foot long. This ensures that all the media is removed from the cases, especially bottleneck rifle cases. With this machine, there is no need to pre-screen the media. The machine feeds the media into two totes. The cases fall into two 5-gallon buckets, or you can use a tote for that as well. The machine comes with a 30-gallon hopper. The hopper feed rate, trommel speed, and angle are all adjustable. The cover has a vacuum port so you can eliminate the airborne dust created by the tumbling action. The machine is capable of processing at least 2 gallons of material per minute. I'll turn it on and you can see how well it works. Most of the media will fall into the first tote, with the rest of the media falling out of the cases as they tumble through the 4-foot trommel. The trommel is 5-sided and designed to cause the cases to fall and tumble throughout the 4-foot trommel, removing all media. The machine can also be used to remove dirt, powder, debris, and 22 long rifles prior to your sorting process. The screen slots in the first half of the trommel are cut to remove dirt, powder, and any debris smaller than a 22 long rifle, which fall into the first tote. The slots in the second half of the trommel are cut to remove 22 long rifles, which fall into the second tote. If you would like to purchase one of these machines or have any questions, use the contact form on our website or send us an email. Thank you.